Want to change your default web browser on your computer, so links always open in the browser you prefer? In this video, I'll show you how to set a new default browser. Start by clicking on the Start menu on your computer. Then open Settings. Once Settings opens, look for the Apps section and click on it. This is where Windows manages installed programs and default app settings. Now select Default Apps, and you'll see a list of different file types and link types that Windows uses by default. Scroll down a little, and in the search bar at the top, type HTTP. You'll now see an option labeled HTTP appear on the screen. Click on it to open the current default app setting. Here you will see your current default browser. For example, it might be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or another browser. To change it, simply click on the Current Browser option. A list of available browsers installed on your computer will appear. Now choose the one you want to use as your default. Click Set Default to confirm your choice. After that, go back and also search for HTTPS in the same menu. Click on HTTPS as well, and repeat the same process to make sure secure links also open in your preferred browser. Once both are set, your computer will automatically use your selected browser whenever you open links. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.